I'm going to do a review here on a Oxyclone hydroponic cloner. We've had this for about a month now, and we're growing a bunch of trees and house plants in it from cuttings, and it's working really well. All these cuttings in here were dormant, and now they're growing new leaves. And I did check. I had the cover off, and I saw a bunch of roots forming. And Lombardy poplars, all of them had roots but one. And the sycamores didn't have roots, but they had the little spots on them, the calyces where they're starting to root. So we're getting roots on those now. But as far as the Oxyclone is concerned, so far I'm impressed because some of these are harder to root, like the sycamore. And we're getting some activity on here from these dormant cuttings. And I turned this big light on during the day to give them some light, and then later on I shut the light off. And we got a house plant, and we did see some roots on that as well. And in the corner here we got cottonwood, and we have some aspen cuttings. We did see a few tiny roots on the aspen cuttings, but yes, you can grow trees with hydroponics and house plants. And as you can see, we got a bunch of cuttings in here that are doing really well. We got Lombardy poplars, sycamore, aspen, cottonwood, and a few house plants as well. And I just wanted to show you this thing. There it is inside. We put this over it to keep it humid as a cover. And then we keep the light on during the day, shut it off later on. But these cuttings are really taking off. Something I did do, which cost a little more money, I added more pumps to it. I added that pump to it, and I added that pump to it. So it has about 4 pumps in it now. The more oxygen, the better for the cuttings. But as you can see, it works, and we're getting a bunch of trees growing from cuttings. And like I said, we got sycamore, Lombardy poplar, aspen, some house plants, and cottonwood. We may try birch in the future, so all goes well, we'll have a bunch of trees. All right, there's a quick update. Just wanted to give you a review of the Oxyclone. I do recommend if you get one of these, you add another air pump to it. I added 2 more air pumps, but you can add whatever you want. And I did add a little rooting powder to the water to help it, and some Super Thrive. All right, but so far the Oxyclone works.